Hey there, future moguls and go-getters. Welcome back to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you unlock your inner entrepreneur and achieve remarkable success. Today, we've got a topic that's all about making every minute count, 5-minute daily habits for successful entrepreneurs. Whether you're starting a new venture or scaling your business, these quick habits will supercharge your day and set you on a path to success. Let's dive right in. Habit 1. Morning affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Take just 5 minutes to repeat affirmations that boost your confidence and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Habit 2. Prioritize tasks. Spend 5 minutes every morning listing your top tasks for the day. This simple act of prioritization helps you focus on what truly matters and increases productivity. Habit 3. Reflect and visualize. Dedicate a quick 5 minutes to reflect on your goals and visualize your success. This practice keeps your ambitions fresh in your mind and motivates you to work towards them. Habit 4. Stay informed. Take a few minutes to catch up on industry news and trends. Staying informed helps you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Habit 5. Express gratitude. End your day with 5 minutes of gratitude. Reflect on what you're thankful for, both personally and professionally. A grateful mindset boosts happiness and resilience. And there you have it, 5 powerful daily habits that successful entrepreneurs swear by. These quick practices can make a significant difference in your mindset, productivity, and overall success. If you found these habits helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs on the journey to success. Thanks for watching, and may your entrepreneurial path be filled with purpose, productivity, and prosperity.